Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another tutorial video on how to geek, and in today's video I'm going to show you how exactly can you recover your Citizens Bank mobile banking account. So if you'd earlier signed up to a mobile banking account for your Citizens Bank but somehow have forgotten the password to your account and now want to retrieve the data and information and still want to get connected with the account because it was very easier for you to make different payments or to check your balances or any other facilities that it provides, this is what you need to do. Stick with me till the end of this video to find out how exactly you can do that. For this, first of all, make sure that you've already downloaded the Citizens mobile banking app on your mobile device and then head over to the app. As soon as you open up the app, you will land on an interface that looks like this, where you'll be asked to enter your credentials that are your user ID and your password. But since you do not remember your password, tap on Forgot Your User ID or Password below the login option. After tapping on Forgot Your User ID or Password, you will now be directed towards a page where you will have to enter certain credentials in order to be able to recover your account. So the first thing that you have to do is select your account category. And after selecting your account category, whether it's a personal account or a small business, what you have to do is you have to select why you are not able to log in. So here, because I've forgotten my password, I'm just going to tap on I forgot my password and then tap on the continue button. After that, it's going to ask me for my online user ID so that they can locate my account. So type in your online user ID and then tap on the continue button. After tapping on the continue button, similarly, you'll have to give in certain information to validate that it's you who's trying to recover your account. And after doing so, after a certain while, you'll be able to change the password into something new. So it is then that when you enter the user ID and then your new password that you'll be able to log into your account. And if you are able to log into your account, means that your account recovery has been successful. So this is basically how you can recover your Citizens Bank mobile banking account. I hope that this video has guided you through the process. If it did, do let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, subscribe to How to Geek, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that you are reminded each time that we upload a new tutorial video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.